Finding the right real estate agent shouldn't be a game of cat and mouse. Scrolling through endless lists is stressful, and most sites just sell your info as a lead. Perplexing, right? That's why there's realtypairs.com, the perfect site for matching with a pro. They vet agents to find the one that fits your exact goals, whether you're buying, selling, or investing. And the best part? It's 100% free. No hidden fees, no credit cards, just expert matches. Stop the trial and error. Visit realtypairs.com today and find your perfect pair.